Good morning. My name is Justin Miller. On behalf of my law firm, Stewart Miller Simmons Trial Attorneys, I'm here with my law partner, Chris Stewart, Brian Spears, and his law firm, Imani Bell's parents, Dorian Bell and Eric Bell, wishes everyone good morning. We're here today because today is a happy day. It's a good day. It's bittersweet, but it's a happy day. Today, Imani Bell's legacy will begin to be cemented in Clayton County. And that's a very important thing because Imani Bell is not here to build her own legacy anymore. Today at 4 o'clock, the gym at Elite Scholars Academy will be named for Imani Bell. And that's huge. Imani died as a result of conditioning and training for basketball for the Elite Scholars Academy girls basketball team. When she died, the temperature was 98 degrees, the heat index was over 100. She was made to run outside. She ran up and down the stairs. Excuse me. Yeah. And she was visibly struggling the entire time. Imani then passed out and subsequently died as a result of this heat-related injury. Now, the issue here is that there are things that could have prevented this, many, many things, and none of these things were in place. And so that is an issue for all of us, not just Imani, her parents and family, but for all of us, because all of us have children. And so this is a bittersweet day, as we said, because this family lost a child. But maybe in losing that child, other children will be helped. This didn't need to happen, and it never has to happen again. And hopefully this settlement, which includes a monetary amount, the naming rights to the gym, and also help with the Keep Imani Always Foundation, which is the foundation that the family set up to protect Imani's name, to give back to the community through scholarships, through glasses for kids that may not be able to get them on their own. These things in this settlement can go a long way into helping other kids so this will never happen again. We need to make sure that the school system is applauded, not for what happened, but for how they have subsequently handled this situation. And every school system in the nation needs to look at this school system as a blueprint to how to handle this type of situation after it happens. But again, it does not need to happen. We need to make sure that all schools have cold water tubs. Make sure that they have whatever device that they need to use to measure the heat before they allow students outside in the heat to train. We need to make sure that they have staff that are adequately trained on how to help someone when they're in a heat distress situation. These things need to be happening everywhere, and parents need to make sure that these things are happening at your child's school. Because if you don't know, this could happen, and we could be here today. So, again, very, very bittersweet. Imani was one of the brightest students at Elite Scholars Academy. She was a great athlete. She was going to be an engineer. She was a coder. She loved tech and technology and everything that went along with that. She was into these things, and she was going to be a great person. And so the loss of her life is big and is huge, not just for her family, but for the world.